Hi, I'm from Aberystwyth University and Community Volleyball Club. Just before the lockdown, we were running our after-school clubs at Penglith, and also we did a junior school festival a few months back, and we'll be doing that after the lockdown ends. But in addition to that, we're going to be running a community club for anybody that's come and try out volleyball in the whole community, whatever your age, in Plascrug Sports Centre. Just before that, we got some some funding from Sport Wales's Community Chest Fund. This set of volleyball posts and the net and a similar set, and they're going to be going into Penglith School and into the Sports Centre at Plascrug. We've also got lots of other equipment, other resources, courses to attend, all through that very generous grant. Okay, what we're going to do now is some exercises that should help you keep fit, and they're related to volleyball, and also they may get you into the idea that you want to play volleyball. You don't actually need a volleyball like this. You could use any football sized ball, but if you have one, all the better. And we'll look forward to seeing you when things get better. Okay, so this one is the basic volleyball pass, the volley, and I'll just show you how to do. You have your hands like this, a triangle that you see through. Your hand will be there on the ball. You take the ball just above your forehead. If you let go, it will hit you on the forehead, and that's where it should be. You then stretch your arms out and push the ball away. So this is how we do it. And then in and away, and in and away, and in and away, and in, away, away. And the main thing is to move your feet so you get underneath the ball every time. If you do 20 of those, you can then move over to somewhere with a wall. And I could try a block passing. So and if you do, say, 20 of the volley passes, 50 of them, say 5 sets, by the time you've done that, you've done 100 volley passes, 300 set of these. So really good exercise for your arms and good hand-to-eye coordination and a definite volleyball skill. Okay, so this one is basically a plank, but we're going to use a volleyball just to make it a little bit harder. And obviously, as we all know, plank is to help improve your core stability and strength. So we'll get into a high plank position like that, ball to one side, and we're just going to flick the ball from side to side and move from hand to hand. Okay. Try not to rock too much, just to keep the ball moving. Okay. There we go. This one is doing sit-ups or crunches, but we're going to add the volleyball just to make it a little bit harder. Okay, the volley pass we learned earlier is now going to be taken a step further, passing to someone else or in their absence. You can use a suitable wall like this one. Just try to keep it going. Etc.